Hi there, Anderson Alley Style here. We left off on the last video of the attic space that we are converting into my studio. If you'll remember right, there were clothes, wood, you name it, all over the place in here. It was a disaster. Well, it's still a disaster, and there's been a dust buildup and dirt buildup since 1885, I think. I don't think anybody had ever vacuumed or swept or done anything up here. We wanted to shoot some film last night after we had made progress, but you could just see the dirt and dust. We wore masks, obviously, but you could see it floating in the air, and we didn't want to ruin any equipment. So we're bringing you back up here today to show you our progress, and I have another question for you guys. I will look, and I probably, by the time we did this, have already looked on the comments about the stained glass windows. But I have another idea, and I have another question. First, we're going to pan around and just show you how far we got. And remember, we're in our work clothes. We're up here working. We're getting dirty. And we have just the work lights and the fluorescent lights. So it is what it is. This isn't obviously going to make a Hollywood cut, but I think you guys will like to see what we accomplished, so come on. All right, starting here, many rolls of carpet remnants, and they are heavy and they are yucky. There's a huge fan on the end of the attic. We'll obviously seal that off, and we'll look over there in a minute, but we're going to we already did, take the blades off. I mean, the fan is like this, and we took the blades off, and we're just gonna shove everything out and take it from there rather than drag it through the house, because the home has brand new carpet, which I don't know we'll always keep, but there's no sense in ruining it right now. So here's what we did. We got all that rolled up. I was over here sweeping and picking trash up, so many clothes, so many pieces of wood. I mean, a lot. So I worked on that and was trying to pull the big dirt like this away from that space, so that when JPT goes in there with the blower, because after we do all this and he's going to shop vac, then he's coming in with the blower, and we're going to blow it and direct it out that end hole. So I don't know if the light's very good here, but we did get so much done on the floors. Here is another humongous carpet remnant. Oh, I wanted to show you something. Hold on. When we pulled the carpet remnant, you can see everywhere the roof has ever leaked. And here's a pretty big stain, but it doesn't look like it was a problem over years and years and years. And the roof was replaced a couple years ago, so we're hoping this is not something that's gonna happen while we're here. Okay, let's head this way. Oh, if I can get a piece of this to peel, I'll try. But to show you how beautiful the wood is under here, and to show you how dirty it is even after we've swept and stuff, somebody had put, you know, like that shelf liner. Well, that's part of the wood right there. But if I can get a piece to peel. Oh, here we go. Oh, come on, Cynthia. Yes, my name's Cynthia too. I go by Cindy, I go by Mac, I go by Critter. Just don't call me late to dinner, y'all. It's really hard to pick, but can you kind of see? And now I am really going to do this. I'm literally going to lick my pinky. Get that a little damp there. See how beautiful that's gonna be? I'm excited. All right, now get my old self up off the floor. All right, so all of this is pretty much clean. Like, we have little piles. No, it's not anywhere near clean, but I mean the quarter piles are pretty much clean. I want to show you the patina on this shelf that was up here. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that color amazing? Of course, we all know it's probably lead paint, but I'm not going to eat it. I'm not going to sand it and breathe it. So I just think that's pretty cool. And I think it's pretty clever how they made, you know, back in the day, everything was a make do. You make do with what you have. And that's how they were storing their saw blades or whatever this is. Some little kind of blade. All right, we'll circle back around over there because I want to show you something. Sorry about the light again. We're just up here working. We have limited light. And we are real people. JPT almost just biffed on this piece of wood. Oopsies. Oh, here's the blades I was talking about off of the fan. That's pretty sizey. All right, if you look straight back there, that's the fan I'm talking about. Like, we have it covered just overnight so all the cold air didn't come in because it's December here in Kansas. But look over here and you're gonna see our shadows and our silhouettes. Sorry about that, but I still think you'll be able to see it. We knew we found treasures in the old screens and the old doors, and we found so much scrap lumber, but also in there are 3 old windows with original glass, and the chippiness and the patina are amazing. So we are going to put them somewhere in the home. I can't wait. All right, one last thing, and we're gonna wrap this one up because we really need to get busy. I won't have JPT's help tomorrow, and it's kind of nice to have a friend. It's always good to have a friend when you're cleaning. But what do you guys think about this? I'm the girl who always tries to make something out of nothing. And here we go again. I love shutters. If you follow me on Instagram, anderson.alley.style, you'll know that I had a shutter hashtag for a while. I've been on Instagram just at 9 months. And if you aren't on there, come on, y'all. You talk about a great home decor community. Instagram is where it's at. Again, look me up and I'll try to remember. I'm so new at this, but I'll try to remember to put my link down there. Anderson.alley.style is me. Come and let's connect. All right, on to my cockamamie schemes. We all know this is a door. But what do you think if we took the that was easy to take the hardware off. But if we take the hardware off of this, I'm going to turn it around. This is giving us a better idea. Okay, if we take all of the hardware off, pull this knob, put wood filler in there, and we paint this, what do y'all think if we pretend these are shutters and put one on each side of the front entry door? If you can't remember what that looks like, go a couple videos back and we took you around outside too. But I'm kind of thinking these can be makeshift, humongous honking shutters. And with as big as the porch is, they need to be honking. I think they might look pretty good. I'm not sure that they'll be long enough. It's going to be a real bummer if they're not. And it may not look good at all. But tell me, do you all think like this? Leave a comment below. I think that's going to be the easiest way to communicate back and forth. Would you see this and think shutter? Oh, we've got a shutter? I'm surely not alone. I know Kathy over on Instagram at Daylily. Do you see the shutter, Kathy? Big shutters. Love them. Anyway, I am going to go back to the other video and see what you guys' opinions were on the glass, or make it stained glass. Like, I haven't made a decision. Obviously, we're a long ways from that point. But please comment below on this if you agree with me that this could pass as a shutter, or even if you think I've lost my ever-loving mind. Leave a comment below. I need advice. I would like your opinion. This is a huge project, and I'm excited to take you along this journey with us. So help a sister out and comment your ideas and thoughts. And also, when you're looking around on the video, if you see an aha thing of, oh, you could do this, or you should do this, or tell me below. I'm open for any and all ideas. All right, we're going to wrap this one up because we need to get busy, and we'll see you next time.